New Mexico follows the Federal Consumer Credit Protection Act formula for wage garnishment and applies New Mexico's minimum wage in the calculation. New Mexico is a community property state, a factor that affects creditor access to spousal wages. The New Mexico garnishment limit, the lesser of 25% of disposable earnings per pay period, or the amount by which disposable earnings exceed 40 times New Mexico's minimum wage per week. New Mexico uses a 40 times multiplier, more protective than the federal 30 times standard, applied to the New Mexico minimum wage. The 40 times multiplier produces a higher protected earnings floor than the federal formula, reducing or eliminating garnishment for lower wage New Mexico workers. Disposable earnings in New Mexico, gross wages minus legally required deductions, federal and New Mexico state income taxes, Social Security, Medicare. Voluntary deductions are excluded. New Mexico garnishment procedure. After obtaining a judgment, the creditor files a writ of garnishment with the court and has it served on the employer. The employer must answer within the required period and begin withholding. New Mexico allows continuing garnishments. Community property considerations. New Mexico is a community property state. Wages earned during the marriage by either spouse are community property. For community debts, obligations incurred for community purposes during the marriage, both spouses' wages may be accessible. This provides broader access for creditors with community obligations, exempt income, Social Security, unemployment, workers' compensation, disability benefits, and retirement income from qualified plans are generally exempt from garnishment in New Mexico. People Locator Skip Tracing provides New Mexico employer identification for wage garnishment proceedings within 24 hours or less. Visit peoplelocatorsskiptracing.com to place your order.